Bringing you here today to do something a little different, and that we want to take you on a tour through the house before we actually start the demolition and the construction aspect of the project. We want to show you the possibilities of what can be done when you have the right designer with the right build team, taking a typical Lakewood Ranch home, what we can transform that into for all of our clientele. So as we enter this home, we're going to notice a few things. One is we have very enclosed spaces that are defined by the different walls that are in the area that we see here now. Some of the obstacles that we have to play with in this home are the multiple tray ceilings that we have and different ceiling heights throughout the home. Beyond this wall is a lower ceiling height. That, along with the multiple tray ceilings that we are dealing with within this given space and the lack of tray ceilings in the other space, made a very complicated design to pull off. In removing this wall, I'm actually going to extend the lowered ceiling in the other room into this space. So it will look like a continuation and an original feature of this home when it was built as part of the original architecture versus a remodeled home. What you see here is your typical everyday Lakewood Ranch kitchen. You've got your high bar, the stools, the sink and the island, cabinetry, wood cabinetry, very traditional look. In here, getting rid of the plant shelves, we're gonna be doing soffits, we're gonna be doing drop ceilings to define the kitchen space. We're gonna be getting rid of the high bar, the angled island. We're gonna be doing a much larger rectangular linear island here. That's all one level, modernizing the space, plenty of room for seating, while getting rid of the components that truly date this home. Some other things that we're doing inside this home are removing all the arches and squaring off the archways, as well as the niche in the background. We are gonna just cover that up and get rid of that entirely. This is a guest bathroom off of one of the guest bedrooms in the back end of the home. We're going to be removing the plant shelves, which is a very dated aspect to a lot of the Lakewood Ranch homes. This is also a light bar that was used back in the day to create the light over the vanity area. So we're going to be removing that, removing the soffit, installing a new soffit that's quite a bit higher to give a little bit more space and feel in here. In this dining space, we're not doing a whole lot, but we are doing enough to try to modernize the space and make this part of what we're doing throughout the rest of the home. We're going to start by removing the half wall at the entrance here, which is going to create some flooring repair. Also, we're going to be taking this alcove, which currently is not being used for much at this point, and we're going to be doing a custom built-in with a textured back wall and some wine racks to create some pop and wow factor in the design. I wanted to show you this space in particular, as this space is going to take on probably the largest transition in the entire home. The client had several desires for this space. One, they don't use the tub much, and the tub takes up 1/3 of the bathroom. We are actually going to be turning this entire tub area into a his and hers steam shower, transforming the alcove for the shower into a freestanding tub alcove with a wall-mounted filler and a back accent wall with all the proper lighting. This is going to be a major transformation in here, and I'm very excited to show you the afters of this one. In closing, I would love to thank you for joining us once again. I'm super excited to bring you the next video so I can show everybody a little bit of what it takes to take what we have here to the next level.